Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Peterson, and this video is just going to give you a couple of reminders for citing your sources that are not already cited for you for your government civil liberties project. So we're going to go ahead and start with the collection, and many of you are struggling to cite the ACLU website, so we're going to go ahead and open that up. So let's say that I found this article, Boyer versus Jeremiah, that I wanted to use, and I wasn't sure how to cite this source. One of the things that you'll find on the ACLU website is that there isn't an author, which is often true of organizations. They don't give specific authors credit. They just use the organization as the author. So what we're going to do then is we're going to get all the rest of the information that we need to cite this source. One of the resources that we have made available to you on the collection is this MLA citation template. So if you take a look at that, you will see that this template is going to give you all of the information that you need for to build a citation, and the order that you need it in, the punctuation, everything that you need. Okay, so we're going to use that to help build our citation here. So since this doesn't have an author, we're going to skip over that box on our template, and we're going to go right to the title of the article. In this case, we're looking for the title of the particular page that we're on. Usually it's on this specific page and doesn't have the same title for other pages under the ACLU website. So you can see it's Boyer versus Jeremiah here. So we're going to type that in. Now, the next thing is the title of the container. The title of the container in this case is the title of the website, so the ACLU website. And we're going to go ahead and use the whole title here. Then there are a couple boxes here that we're not going to be concerned about. We don't have an editor. We don't have a version or a volume number here. Those are oftentimes for periodicals. The publisher, you could put down here American Civil Liberties Union again, although it's probably not necessary. So we're going to jump to the publication date. And you can see that this was last updated on May 13th of 2010. Sometimes you'll find the last updated date up here. Sometimes you'll find it all the way at the bottom of the website. For dates in a citation in MLA, you're going to put them in sort of a different order. So you will put them in like this, with the day, the month, and then the year. And then the last thing that we need is the web address. So we're going to come over here, copy that web address, paste it in, and you can ignore the rest of this for this particular citation. So you'll see that there's a spot down at the bottom for your works cited citation and for your in-text citation. What we're going to do is we're going to use the pieces that we've included here, but we're going to use these little hints on the side for punctuation, and also pay attention to any hints that might be happening here. So we see that the article title needs to be in quotation marks. So if I were building my citation down here, I would say Boyer versus Jeremiah. I know there's a period at the end because it tells me to do that right here. And then I have italics for American Civil Liberties Union. Okay, we're going to come up here and check our punctuation. It tells me I need a comma, so I will do a comma. Then I'm going to put my publication date in. Again, it tells me I need a comma. And then I need to paste in my URL. and at the end of all of that, I need a period. So this is my citation. When I go to use this in text, my in-text citation will be the first thing that I find in my works cited citation. So in this case, it would be Boyer v. Jeremiah. And we're going to have the quotation marks inside the parentheses. I can delete all this extra stuff, and that's what my in-text citation will look like. Thanks for listening. Contact us in the library if you need any help.